Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're looking at tools that will absolutely blow your mind. Let's jump right in. Multiple-Spindle. The Multiple-Spindle Attachment 5 is designed for wheel lug applications and features a lightweight precision gear case that enhances portability and handling. It includes an adapter compatible with cordless power tools, offering versatility and ease of integration into various tool setups. This attachment enables simultaneous fastening, improving productivity and consistency. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance even in demanding automotive or industrial environments. Kobalt 12-inch chainsaw. The Kobalt 24-volt brushless 12-inch chainsaw delivers reliable power for most yard tasks thanks to its high-efficiency brushless motor that offers extended run times and longer motor life. Designed with user safety and convenience in mind, it features an electronic chain brake to prevent injury and toolless chain tensioning for quick, hassle-free adjustments. The automatic oiling system keeps the chain consistently lubricated for optimal performance. This chainsaw is compatible with all Kobalt 24-volt max batteries and chargers, and it comes backed by a 5-year warranty for added peace of mind. A Kobalt replacement chain is available separately to keep your tool in peak condition. IRWIN Folding Utility Tool. The IRWIN Folding Utility Tool is built for durability and convenience, featuring a steel strike cap that enhances strength and impact resistance. Its foldable design allows the blade to retract neatly into the handle for safe and compact storage. Additionally, the lacquered blade resists corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance even in tough working conditions. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a tool pouch or pocket. Ideal for job sites or home projects, it combines strength and portability. Scott's Broadcast Spreader. The Scott's Turf Builder Edge Guard. Mini Broadcast Spreader is an easy-to-use tool designed for applying Scott's lawn care products with precision and efficiency. It comes pre-calibrated and fully assembled, featuring a convenient fold-down handle for compact storage. With exclusive Edge Guard technology, it prevents product from spreading onto driveways, sidewalks, and landscaping, ensuring targeted application. A redesigned hopper and agitator promotes smooth product flow and consistent coverage. Ideal for smaller yards, it holds enough material to treat up to 5,000 square feet, making it perfect for applying grass seed, fertilizer, and other lawn treatments. DYNELLO Fastwinder. The DYNELLO Fastwinder is a lightweight and efficient strap winder designed for use with cordless drills, making it ideal for truck drivers and tradespeople who regularly handle lashing straps. It features a durable, impact-resistant construction with a low-friction surface to ensure smooth operation. Capable of winding straps up to 20 meters long and 50 millimeters wide, the tool helps save time and reduce physical effort during strap handling. Its patented design ensures excellent control of the strap while winding, even in challenging conditions. The maintenance-free build and modular adaptability make it a reliable and versatile choice for daily use. Enerpac XC2 Series Pumps. The XC2 Series cordless hydraulic pumps from Enerpac represent a new generation of portable and connected hydraulic tools. These mid-sized battery-powered pumps are engineered for demanding applications that require high capacity and extended cycles. Offering performance comparable to a corded 1/2 horsepower electric pump, they deliver the freedom to operate in remote or confined spaces without sacrificing power. Whether lifting, pulling, splitting, tightening, or cutting, the XC2 series provides reliable hydraulic force in even the toughest environments. The cordless design reduces setup time and enhances mobility on job sites. Advanced connectivity features allow for real-time monitoring and diagnostics, improving productivity and maintenance planning. Laserliner CombiFinder Plus. The CombiFinder Plus is an electronic detector designed to reliably locate metals and identify the position and layout of live electrical conductors, helping users avoid unnecessary drilling and potential hazards. It provides clear visual and acoustic signals when objects are detected and features a permanent voltage warning to enhance safety during use. The device is ready to operate immediately after being powered on, automatically adapting to the ground surface. Its user-friendly interface, displayed on an easy-to-read LC screen, ensures simple and accurate operation. Built with sustainability in mind, the housing contains a high proportion of recycled plastic, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Tracer Laser Measure. The Tracer Laser Measure is a high-performance distance measuring tool capable of accurately measuring up to 100 meters using a high-visibility green laser beam, which remains clearly visible even over long distances. Suitable for both metric and imperial measurements, it offers 6 versatile functions, including angle, distance, and volume measurements. Built to withstand tough environments, it features an IP54 rated, waterproof, and dustproof design. The device includes a memory function that allows users to store up to 30 individual measurements for added convenience. Hakko FX100 Soldering Station. The Hakko FX100 soldering station utilizes an advanced induction heating system, which allows the soldering tip itself to generate heat and maintain a consistent temperature without the need for traditional sensors. This technology provides superior thermal recovery and enables even small tips to effectively work on high-density and multi-layered printed wiring boards. The station features a clear display that presents real-time output power graphs and intuitive operation menus, making it user-friendly and informative. Lantana 2-in-1 Safety Can Opener. The Lantana 2-in-1 Safety Can Opener is a smart and user-friendly kitchen tool designed to eliminate the risks associated with traditional can openers. Its unique cutting mechanism removes the lid by slicing through the seam, leaving smooth, safe edges on both the can and the lid, preventing accidental cuts. This design also allows the lid to fit snugly back onto the can, making it easy to store leftovers. In addition to opening cans, it doubles as a bottle opener, offering added convenience in one compact tool. Gison GP 920L. The GP-920L is a robust 6-inch heavy-duty air straight grinder designed for demanding industrial applications such as metal dressing, rust removal, weld preparation, and automotive bodywork. With a powerful maximum free speed of 5,700 RPM and a roll throttle for smooth operation, it delivers reliable performance across various metalworking tasks. It accommodates disc wheels of 150 millimeters outer diameter and offers efficient air consumption at 0.76 cubic meters per minute, operating optimally at 90 pounds per square inch. Weighing 5.16 kilograms and measuring 500 millimeters in length, the grinder is built for durability and balance, making it ideal for continuous use in casting cleaning, foundries, and fabrication shops. Flexzilla Pressure Washer Hose. The Flexzilla Pressure Washer Hose is engineered to deliver unmatched flexibility and ease of use, even under high pressure. Made from a durable, flexible hybrid polymer, it remains pliable in a wide range of temperatures, from sub-zero conditions up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it reliable in various environments. Unlike traditional hoses, it resists kinking, lays flat without recoiling, and has minimal memory, ensuring hassle-free operation before, during, and after use. Equipped with a non-kink bend restrictor, this hose is ideal for cold water pressure washing tasks and provides a smoother, more controlled user experience. SKELETOOL. The Leatherman SKELETOOL is a lightweight, versatile multi-tool designed for everyday carry, weighing in at just 5 ounces. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it combines essential tools into a sleek and compact design. The SKELETOOL includes both needle nose and regular pliers, hard wire and wire cutters, a 420 HC combo knife, a large bit driver, and a built-in carabiner that doubles as a bottle opener. With a removable pocket clip for convenient carry, it delivers functionality and style in one streamlined package, perfect for those who want capability without bulk. AdventureMate V2. The AdventureMate V2 is a rugged and versatile 5-in-1 multi-tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and adventurers. It features a single handle that securely slides and locks into 2 interchangeable tool heads, giving users access to an axe, saw, shovel, hammer, and hook, all in one compact system. Built for durability and convenience, the AMV2 is housed in a practical carry holster and comes with a leather axe sheath for added safety. Available in stealth black and desert sand, this tool combines functionality with sleek design, making it an essential companion for survival and outdoor tasks. Grizzly Belt Sander or Grinder. The belt sander or grinder is a highly versatile tool designed specifically for entry-level knife makers who need both horizontal and vertical grinding capabilities in a compact, single-phase 110-volt setup. Equipped with a variable speed 1-horsepower motor, it allows precise control over belt speed, making it ideal for both aggressive shaping and fine sharpening. The sanding frame pivots 90 degrees for vertical grinding, perfect for detailing the knife tip, heel, tang, and edge, while the horizontal setup makes safe, full-surface grinding of the spine efficient and controlled. Its adjustable tool rest offers flexibility in positioning with tilt angles from -5 degrees to 120 degrees, and the quick-release lever with gas strut tensioner ensures fast and easy belt changes. Thanks for watching Chop Busters. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and let us know which tool impressed you the most. See you next time.